back to another unboxing video. Today I have my BOXYCHARM premium box, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. Okay, so this is the card for this month, and then the back has all the products. So I'm going to start with this. It's the sponge by the makeup eraser. I have the makeup eraser wipes and I haven't even used them. I totally forget to use them. They're just this big white or cloth material, and it says that you erase all the makeup with just water. So you just add water. You don't need a cleanser or anything like that. So I haven't tried it. I actually tried something similar like that a while back, and it did remove all my makeup with just water. Anyway, back to the box. This is the sponge by the same brand, Makeup Eraser. It's the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. So this is really cute because it actually comes with this little case that you can put in your washing machine. So let me open it. So yeah, this is the container, and then this is the sponge. So you just put it inside, and then you twist it closed, and then you just have the sponge safe in there to wash it. So that's pretty exciting. That one is worth, let me see, $18. Okay, next product is this Cusio Somatology Calm Plus Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So it's a body wash with lavender oil. Gently cleanses without dehydrating the skin, and it has Epsom salt, which helps muscles feel reinvigorating and re-energized after the most intensive workouts. Oh, this is really cool. Like, for after you work out, you can shower with this. That one is $39.95. Next product is by Caprice. It is made for each other illumination and active shimmer. It's an illuminating eye serum primer and shimmer palette. There's actually two products in this box, and it's an eye serum and primer and a shimmer palette. So that's kind of interesting to put these two together. So this is the illuminating eye serum and primer, and then this is the shimmer palette right here. So it has a lot, they're all shimmery shades, and they're all very pretty. So we will have to see when we try them on. Next product is by Too Faced, and this is a Proactive Nourishing Hangover X Replenishing Face Primer. I feel like I've used this before, or I have it. I don't remember, but I think I did receive a smaller version of this, like a tiny little sample, and this is actually a bigger size. This one is worth, let me see, $35. I don't remember if I used that other tiny sample, and if I did, I don't remember how it worked, but I have that bigger sample to try out. Next thing is this Beauty Diva London. It's a Diva eye brush set, and the brushes are very orange color, and these are the 4 brushes. So these are, oh, the Caprice Illuminating Eye Serum Primer. It's worth $145. That is a lot. All right, so the Diva eye brush set is $48. And the last product in my box is the Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, and it's by Rowan Beauty, and this is worth $26. So it's in the color Charlie. And it's a very pretty color. I really like the color. So yeah, that's everything for my BOXYCHARM premium box. If you want to see more unboxing videos, then just subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.